Rats, gotta go. Cedar Ranch train.
Started off as a motorhome chassis. It has a 6.2 diesel in it.
Four-wheel drive.
3-speed automatic, coupled to a 4-speed truck transmission, coupled to the transfer case. You've got a lot of options in gearing. See, this is the business in here. You got the automatic here, and you got your 4-speed here, your transfer case there.
You can operate the brakes
Brake,
either
you can
from
stop,
this
that's
side,
right.
or the engineer can operate them over here.
Yes, this is the throttle. So.
Deratify, you can see all the rat stuff on the engine.